guy is. But I gotta walk past him. Don't mind me, I'm just exploring. But don't worry, I'm not bored. Idea if it's abandoned, but somebody just went in. There's a person right over there by that Jeep. I don't know. The foul odor of oil, gas. It's opening on its own. Getting out of here. Is this thing even workable? Maybe it's just sitting there. Oh, that guy just beeped at me, I guess, for filming the Jeep. Smokestack lightning. Can't you hear me cry? I don't understand. It's a bed. Of course, there's urine jugs, but they were just eating not that long ago, and they had some Corona beer. There. Can't really see. But there's a building back there. Surely there's a way in. Newark police. Would they pull me over and harass me in a van? See, this is what caught my eye right here. It's definitely abandoned. Very old. Oh wow. And you could easily get in right there, but not with the police right across the street. Whoa. What would you do? Would you go in right now? I don't think you would. That's where the sign used to be. It's definitely about 150. I could go in, but probably right here. But there's police here right now. I'll come back in a month and a half from now. I'll come here on Halloween, Cabbage Night. I'll come here on Cabbage Night. I'm thirsty. I think I'm gonna grab a brew. Signing out in Newark, New Jersey.